My name is MD Safilal Maher. I am 7 years old and I am from Tangal. I am a student of EduTune Spoken English course batch 2. Now I want to say about 7 days name. We know there are 7 days in a week. They are Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Thank you.
Hello everybody, good afternoon. I'm feeling very fortunate to get this wonderful chance to introduce myself in front of you, the smart people. I'm Nuchacha Hinduha. I'm from Hobiganj. It's a nice place to live in. It's a well-known district in Bangladesh. I have a small family.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Jackie Tabassum. I hope all of you are very well. I am also well. I'm feeling very fortunate to get this wonderful chance to introduce myself in front of you, the smart people. I am a student of class 4. I study at Tamalpur Gopt Primary School. I live in Madaripur. It's a nice place to live in. I have a small family. My father name is Miraz Khan. He is a professor. My mother name is Fatima Jahan. She is a homemaker. I have a younger brother. His name is Arab. He is 4 years old. My hobby is gardening. My future plan is to be a doctor. Thank you.
আপনি কি চান আপনার চাইল্ড ডে বাই ডে এভাবে এক্সপার্ট লার্নার হয়ে উঠুক? But skills don't develop overnight. So, EduTune is determined to provide an inclusive platform to practice and learn English on a regular basis. তাহলে আর দেরি কেন? আজই এনরোলমেন্ট কমপ্লিট করুন আমাদের কোর্সে। Thank you everybody.